Hello, welcome to our chosen technology company to investigate, Google Cloud. Google Cloud provides a full suite of cloud computing, data analytics, and machine learning services that run on Google's own infrastructure. Among its offerings, BigQuery stands out as one of the most impactful technologies. It's a fully managed serverless data warehouse, allowing organizations to analyze vast datasets and generate real-time insights without managing infrastructure. Its serverless design embodies the cloud computing aspect of enabling technologies, removing the need for costly on-premises infrastructure. This allows organizations to scale analytics effortlessly by adjusting usage or subscription levels, providing both flexibility and cost efficiency. Additionally, BigQuery ML integrates machine learning directly within the BigQuery environment, enabling predictive analytics that help business anticipate trends and make more informed decisions, reflecting the role of AI as an enabling technology. BigQuery also harnesses the power of big data, allowing users to process and analyze massive, diverse datasets in a fraction of the time traditional systems would require. According to Google, BigQuery can process petabytes of data within minutes. The impact of combining these enabling technologies in BigQuery can be seen in a Forrester study, which found that organizations using BigQuery achieved an average ROI of 205%. Moreover, companies experienced an average 3.75% increase in sales, largely attributed to faster and higher quality insights. Target market and competitors. The target market for BigQuery is varied. Airlines such as Air France KLM have shown interest in this, seen through their adoption of this tool in December 2024 to analyze passenger behavior. Fintech companies such as Monzo have adopted BigQuery and continue to make use of its new features to enhance their customer experience. And additionally, retailers such as Morrison's are adopting BigQuery to introduce AI-enabled features to their product finder. From the diagram comparing BigQuery to its competitors, you can see that they all have some level of serverless technology. But in addition, BigQuery and Azure offer a free tier to explore their offering, which AWS Redshift doesn't. However, a key differentiating factor for BigQuery is its seamless integration into Google's ecosystem. For example, a Google Sheet document can be input into BigQuery to carry out analysis, eliminating the need to know SQL code. Now, focusing on an example in more depth is Morrison's. So in early 2025, BigQuery partnered with Morrison's, which is one of the UK's largest leading supermarket chains, to modernize its retail data infrastructure and enable real-time decision-making at scale. Previously, Morrison's struggled with delays in receiving their data due to their batch-based system. This limited their ability to respond to changing store conditions, as well as affecting the quality of their analysis. Additionally, colleagues spent significant time helping customers locate products, leading to large cumulative productivity losses. BigQuery implemented streaming data pipelines, reducing refresh times from daily batches to roughly every 15 minutes. This includes live data feeding into dashboards, as well as AI being used for forecasting and logistics modeling. At the customer interface, BigQuery and Gemini models powered an AI product finder within the Morrison's app, which provides shoppers with shelf-specific results within seconds, improving both customer experience and store efficiency. The impact has been substantial, even in early development. Transitioning from daily to near real-time reporting has reduced data latency by over 99%. The product finder is saving an estimated 750 staff hours per week, translating to approximately £0.547 million in annual staff capacity savings. Real-time stock visibility is improving online order picking efficiency by around 5 seconds per item, worth an additional £0.6 million annually, and even a 0.05% increase in on-shelf availability could generate roughly £7.6 million in annual sales. Moving on to our financial company, Natwest. Natwest Group is one of the UK's largest banks and serves over 20 million customers and is investing heavily in digital transformation, focusing on AI, big data, and cloud computing. They've invested in many areas in the AI sector. Most recently, they partnered with OpenAI to make use of their Gen AI technology to further enhance their customer service through improving their chatbot, Cora. Similarly, they signed a 5-year partnership with AWS to build, train, and deploy AI models at scale. The pace of AI transformation at NatWest is highlighted through their deployment of 25 distinct use cases for AI. From the Bank of England figure on the right, it's evident that this places them in the top 25 to 30% of financial firms in the UK. and NatWest continues to explore up to 250 more use cases, outlining their strive to be an AI-driven company. Moving on to cloud computing, NatWest has partnered up with Accenture to appoint them as a delivery partner to migrate workloads and build scalable cloud-based platforms. They have also implemented Datadog monitoring tools, providing real-time visibility into cloud applications, AI workloads, and infrastructure. This allows the bank to detect performance bottlenecks or outages immediately, enabling resource optimization and reductions in unnecessary costs. NatWest leverages the DataQ ML platform as part of their big data to enhance fraud detection, risk analysis, and customer insights using DataQ. The bank develops, trains, and deploys ML models to improve customer experiences, detect fraud efficiently, and identify emerging trends, helping protect customers and respond quickly to financial crime. Furthermore, they are undertaking an enterprise wide data modernization initiative to consolidate fragmented inefficient legacy systems into a unified data platform for analytics. And the new system aims to reduce the time it takes to alert customers of fraud risks from days to just hours, resulting in a timely response. Thus, we can deduce that NatWest's main digital strategy is using AI to improve customer services, detect fraud faster, and improve operational efficiency. More specifically, like many UK banks, NatWest is trying to address the challenge of rising fraud. Through implementing OpenAI's GenAI technology into their existing core chatbot, they intend to create faster and easier ways for customers to report fraud, allowing for vulnerable accounts to be secured quicker. According to a published report, financial firms who used AI to address fraud saw a 30 to 40% decrease in losses. NatWest also reported a 150% increase in customer satisfaction when utilizing the Gen AI features in Quora. Furthermore, to capitalize on increasing AI opportunities, NatWest appointed their first chief AI research officer. Her AI expertise will help identify new chat opportunities and foster a stronger AI driven culture. An IBM report suggests that companies that hire a chief AI officer could see a 10% increase in the ROI on AI. Additionally, NatWest saw a 144% increase in the employee uptake of elective AI courses from 2024, providing the momentum needed for the officer to further strengthen this AI driven culture. Now, NatWest has taken a strong position to transform into a digital business. However, some recommendations to improve this even further is to extend the applications of AI to provide financial advice incrementally, such as through saving recommendations, investment recommendations, and ways to improve credit score. We got these recommendations by analyzing what competitors are doing in the market, such as HSBC and JP Morgan. But most notably, Bank of America's Erica chatbot has been able to personalize the client's experience. And using this as an example, if NatWest were to implement similar features, they could see up to a 98% of queries attended to without human interaction, which is double Cora's current 49%. And it could also lead to a 20-fold increase in user interactions in a 5-year period. Another crucial area NatWest could invest into is the digital asset sector, where NatWest could implement blockchain solutions for secure digital assets and cross-border payments. Currently, HSBC's Digital Vault manages $20 billion in tokenized assets, including digital bonds, tokenized gold, and cross-border settlements. This demonstrates the profitability and operational benefits of blockchain. Additionally, cross-border payments costs can be reduced by up to 80% compared to traditional methods. By eliminating intermediaries and streamlining settlement flows, um, and by following this path, NatWest can improve efficiency, reduce fraud risk through transparent ledgers, and unlock new revenue from tokenized assets and instant settlements. Thank you for listening to our presentation.